Right, in this video we are going to go through the process of receiving payments for bills or for expenses, not receiving payment but making payments to suppliers for expenses or services that have been rendered to us. So I will just go to pay bills. So you click on pay bills there, and then here by default it will be showing you all the bills that you are owing, or all the people that you are owing. So here you can click on filter by, you can select the name of the supplier. So the moment I type ZE, my supplier with ZE comes, and I can click on enter. It's now showing there. So the bill amount due is $3.50, and I'm going to pay here. Let me pay $2.50. So here down here it's showing the bank account that I'm using to pay this expense. So I'm going to use CBZ to pay this expense, and it's already showing me that in CBZ current balance is $261.50. So when I subtract with 250, it should less that amount here. So I can click on pay selected bill, and then it will pop up this. If I want to print, I can click on print check. Then here you can click on OK. Do not show this. Click OK there. If I want to print on PDF, I can select PDF there, and then you can print. So I can select the printer that I want to print with. So in this case, let me just print it to my desktop. But if you don't want to print this, you don't need to do all that. So you click OK there. After you click OK, you can go next to do another bill. You select the supplier. I select Zesa. So now it's showing that there is now $1 owing. I want to pay that dollar again. I click on $1 there, and then you can click on pay selected bill, and then here you can select done if you don't want to do other bills. So that's it for paying for expenses in QuickBooks. So there's another option again for doing the payments automatically as they are done. To do that, you can just come here again, go to enter bills. Here we select the name of the supplier. So let's say it's a new supplier. Maybe our supplier name is maybe it's Croco Motors. Yeah. So I select Croco Motors as my supplier. So you can just click on quick add to add the supplier in the system. Then you come here, maybe it's vehicle maintenance. So I can just say vehicle maintenance. So vehicle maintenance is already there in the system. Make sure that the general ledger you are picking is written expense here. So I click there. Amount, let's say amount is $33. And then memo here I can say motor vehicle. What's the spelling for vehicle? Let me just say motor lorry service. Spelling for vehicle is a problem. Anyway, so I select motor vehicle services there, and after that I can just go straight here to pay bill. Instead of saving, I want to pay it here, then there. So I click on pay bill there. Here you just select yes, and then automatically it will come here. Then you click on pay selected bill, and then here if you want to print, you print. If you want to pay more, you select that one. So in this case I'm just going to select done, and it's going to reflect here paid. If you want to view some previously billed invoices, you can click on that arrow. It's showing the status paid here. So that's it for our expenses, either doing expenses on credit or on cash. So we are going to the next video.